salespersons and office staffs, they are serving for your life insurance policies. Okay, because their jobs are very complicated, so they accept a lot of training. With the study work, the purpose of the study is to investigate the effect of organizational training on these two groups. We would like to study the effect on employees, organizational commitment, job satisfaction, and turnover in terms of job characteristic model, because they have different job characteristics. And research question, since that both of them accept various training, we would like to know what's the difference effect from both groups. And yeah, because when we talk about life insurance company, we all focus on salespersons. We seldom look at the office staff. Okay, so this study will provide this kind of information for all of you. And the contribution is we can present the effect of organizational training for both these groups. And then HR of life insurance company can refer the effect and to arrange their annual schedule for their training. So we not only provide the data of salesperson, but including office data. Okay, at first, let's look at what is job characteristic models. It was developed by Hackman and Altman. This model was widely discussed and studied by a lot of people. And at first, according to the model, they exist by core dimension. They are including skill, variety, tax identity, tax significance, and autonomy and job feedback. And this dimension activates three critical psychological states. They are experience meaningfulness of the work, experience responsibility for the outcomes of the work, and the knowledge of the actual result of the work activities. And let's see the structure, maybe it will make it easier to understand. Here is the core job dimension, just I mentioned 5 dimensions, and it will cause critical psychological states, and there are 3 critical states. And here is we want to study the outcome, the personal work outcomes, including inner motivation, work performance, and job satisfaction, and the lower absenteeism and turnover. Next one, organizational training. It is an abstract idea. We will from 4 points of view to evaluate the training. According to Ballot and Coma in 2010, employees perceive training as operationalized with a multi-dimensional structure of motivation, access, benefits, and support. And organizational commitment. The point of view from Porter. Okay? It means the readiness of an employee to provide elevated levels of hard work on behalf of the organization, acceptance of its key goals, standards, principles, ethics, and values, and a sturdy aspiration to stay with the organization. And job satisfaction, it means individuals that paralyze of situation and events that they encounter at work, and therefore based on the effective reaction to this situation and events. And turnover, let's look at the calculation. It's easier for you to understand. The ratio here, 20%. How to calculate the 20%? One person leave at this period. One person leave, and total at this period they are total 5% here, and then you can calculate the turnover ratio. Okay, there are 4 hypotheses in this study, and let's look here. The red words. The first one is perceived intrinsic motivation to organizational training, significant influence there. Organizational commitment, job satisfaction, and turnover in terms of job characteristic models. And the fourth hypothesis has the same dependent variables. Only the independent variables is different. So let's look at reverse. The second one is access to organizational training. Third one is benefit from organizational training. The fourth one is support to organizational training. So we are going to discuss these 4 independent variables, how they influence dependent variables. And this is pilot questionnaire, because the analysis will be used SEM, and 7-point rapid questionnaires are for SEM analysis. So here the questionnaire is 7-point Likert questionnaires. Okay, next one. And this questionnaire refer this to authors' questionnaires and translate into Chinese. And here is the participants. It's a listed life insurance company, and the participants will be employees for Taichung branch. The total employees 15,000. There are 5,586 salespersons and 264 office staff at Taichung branch. And this is the procedure. At this moment is the pilot test, and it is a kind of snowball sampling, because we try to let the people we know to help us to fill in the questionnaires. And next month, the questionnaire, I suppose the formal questionnaires